Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get rid of cave sickness. First of all, go to the tech tree, tier 2 and go to about a middle. Here you'll see the herbalism bench. Make sure to unlock it with the antibiotic tonic. Once you've crafted the herbalism bench, you'll press F to interact, and here you'll see the antibiotic tonic recipes. On the first one, you'll need some honeycombs and charcoal. On the second, yeast, epoxy, and charcoal. Yeast is found anywhere in the forest biome. Epoxy is made from crushed bones in the mortar and pestle, and charcoal is made by burning wood inside of a fireplace. You can see 4 crushed bones to make 1 epoxy. This is the best recipe for antibiotic tonic. This is going to cure the whole cave sickness instantly. Hope you found this helpful. Make sure to like and subscribe if you did, and see you in the next one.